is a called forehand counter, backhand. She is playing with the long people. This is a forehand top spin. Forehand top spin. What you are seeing is forehand top spin. Two backhand counter, footwork and plays forehand. This Palak from Maharashtra is playing backhand forehand, forehand, forehand. One of the major strokes. This is Zaid, also from Bombay. Kamosh from Ahmedabad. And Padesh from our own Vadodara city. This is Daniel from Rajasthan. Is playing same exercise. This is a winner of this national ranking, national camp. Is a Benjamin from Mizoram. And we have a Shiny Gomes from Ahmedabad, Indian player. And we have a Jeet Pandya also from Ahmedabad, represents India. So thank you for the demo once more. Yeah, thank you.